In this video, we will take a look at transferring from a wheelchair into the car using a wooden sliding board. Now, this video is for those caregivers whose loved ones are needing a few verbal cues, maybe some standby assistance for this transfer. We want to use that for safety as they're learning to do this, hopefully on their own. So let's take a look at that transfer now. So Christine is going to help us with this transfer. So we're going to have her come up to the car. So if she can wheel the wheelchair, we're going to let her do that. We're going to get it fairly close to the car door. We're going to have her put it at a 45-degree angle so that when we are transferring into the car, we're clearing the wheel on the wheelchair. We want her to remove or lift up this arm rest out of her way. Okay, so we're going to push that one back. Some of them actually come off the wheelchair. The brakes are locked. She has a gait belt on just for safety so that I can assist as needed. We're going to have her, if she can, take a hold of the sliding board. We're going to have her place it under her buttock and thigh on this side. And we're going to point the board in the direction that we want her to go. Okay, so it's kind of right here toward the middle of the seat. The seat is all the way back. Depending on the circumstance, you're going to have to take a look at this. We want a clear path coming across that board, but we want to make sure that they're clearing this part of the car. So in some instances, depending on the person, depending on the chair or the seat, that seat may have to be up just a little bit further so that their rump is headed toward the seat actually and not more so into this part of the car. So I'm going to have her come across the board. She's going to need to push with her arms as she lifts her bottom a little bit and slides across the board. We're going to watch her head here as she comes in. I'm going to let her get her bottom into that seat. And then once she's in there, we're going to have her bring her legs in if she can. If she can't, we will help her. And then we're going to have her remove the board from underneath her thigh. Now with this standard sliding board, your loved one is going to need some decent arm strength. They're going to need some trunk control to be able to help themselves slide across the board. So let's take a look at how to come out of the car with a sliding board. So now we're going to reverse that process and have Christina come out of the car. We have the wheelchair positioned, we have the brakes locked, we have the armrest pulled up. So we're going to give her the transfer board and let her place it under her buttock and thigh on this side as she leans away from it to get weight off of that side. We're going to make sure that the board is pointed to the seat to where she wants to end up. We, as a caregiver, are going to stand by as she comes out. She'll put weight, we'll say put weight through your arms. You're going to, if you can, put a little weight through your legs and shift your bottom, slide your bottom across the board as you come out. Caregiver, you want to stand here and make sure everything is going safely as they come out of the car, one leg at a time. Once her legs are out, then she's going to remove the board from underneath her. Now, again, every situation is going to be different. You need to watch the surfaces. You need to watch the board. The board on occasion will move around a little bit. It's going to take practice in doing this type of transfer. So that is a transfer with a sliding board in and out of the car.